So, yun guys. Ito. Ang timing ba to?
Not knowing oneself.
Legendary!
Timing
Is
na
that the best you can do?
kailan natin yung ano dito. Yung gulo. Ayun na.
Why talk when fists are
Ibang
louder?
timing to. So, tingnan nyo naman to. Ibang timing. Yung ano. Yung ganji gajo.
Even my lunch has more kick.
Legendary!
Better luck next time.
Kung makikita nyo, nabiyok ko na yung TV ko na. Yung dati ano. Basic ko na
Watch close. This is Kung Fu.
Legendary!
ano. Kung makikita nyo, nakatenting patay ako. Pero ito na naman yung build ko. Kita nyo ba yung build na yan? Yung build na yan yung magpapatakot dito sa normal bot. Kita nyo ah.
They'll be serving me tea when this is over.
At masakit na siya dito.
Legendary!
Who's next? Step forward.
Tapos dito, mag-unasid talaga ako, guys. Dito, pipres ko.
This is Kung Fu. Mind if I get serious?
Sa iba sa tutok. Tapos dito, pinututok niya ko na lang siya. Kung makikita niyo dyan,
Legendary!
Better luck next time. A quick tea break. Good for the spirit. Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
ang timing ka, parts.
Mike, this is Kung Fu.
Legendary!
Who's next? Step forward. Wow, that's some style. Respect. Don't hold back. Strike with conviction. Watch closely.
Legendary!
Ang timing. Sabi may lalo pa dito. Nakastop lang ako. Stop lang. Ayun ba? Dapat dalawa nila. 2, 6, 4, 9.
Better luck next time.
Ayan, wrong timing. Ba't kaya wrong timing to lagi?
Kung Fu isn't about hurting others. It's about mastering oneself.
Diba? Wrong timing. Tunay ko monton.
Why talk when fists are louder? This is Kung Fu.
Legendary!
Don't hold back. Strike with conviction.
Kaya kickback malala. Dito, pinitipi yung kaso ng kita kasi daddy yun. Kaya nagtipi yung kasama dito. Hindi tatagal sa dito yan. Isang sika pa lang wala na. Tapos dito,
Not knowing
pinitipi yung
oneself. That's the
kasama.
worst.
Dito, parang nalaman ko sa mga tago.
This is Kung Fu.
Dito mga sige, uwi ko na.
Come challenge me.
Uwi.
Anytime.
Ayaw umuwi. Ang kulit.
Legendary!
Clearan pa naman sa mukha.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Magtatago ako.
Shut down!
Drop some tiger bomb on it.
Bakit? Bakit?
Spanish. Hala.
Ay, ko na naman. Hindi ka naglalod. Hindi ka naman talaga sa build ko. Tapos ka pa naman sa lord.
Spanish. Ne, tinapay.
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Pakain mo, hindi mo masarap Spanish pag may nanonood na. Hindi, ba't yun? Ba't Spanish nga sa kanila?
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Nag-iisa na yung Spanish.
Doon. Sa labas.
Lagi ka kakain lang yan.
Kiyawi. Hindi umuwi ka.
Ano yun? Spanish yung name mo.
Papalbuhin kita pag umuwi ka.
Ano?
Mastering oneself.
Patay.
Hmm.
Ang pangit.
Ah. Hindi na. Kaya mo yung ano? Spanish yung ka.
Want to learn kung fu? Step inside. The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Daddy.
Mind if I get serious? This is kung fu. Better luck next time. Not knowing oneself. That's the worst.
Dito dahil alam ko kung saan ka pupunta. Pinupura ko na ito mata. Sabay.
Even my lunch has more kick.
Sabay.
Monster kill.
Who's next? Step forward.
Shut down.
Got carried away. Joe's Kung Fu School is reopened.
Akin na lang? Ha?
This is Kung Fu.
Slain an enemy.
Akin na lang!
Too simple, lah.
Ito nga ka.
Why talk when fists are louder?
Ito.
Kung Fu should be fun, lah.
Yung talagang kitain ko. Ha? Oy! Hod! Kumay. Tama, kukuhaan ako. Oy! Akin to. Malado ka na, oy. Sa'yo na lang. Uy, marami pa yan, oh. Oh, tama niya. Isa lang to, dalawa yan. Dito naman to. Tira niya to putas. Espresso na si Sada.
They'll be serving me tea when this is over. What to go? back, strike with conviction. Come challenge me. Anytime.
Dalawa kayo.
Nino.
Ganyan.
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Ayaw mo naman. Pag-isa lang ako na. Saan mo gusto kayo? Ano kayo sa kanyang kuya? Sige.
Mind if I get serious?
Ayoko. Sa'yo yan eh. Ate tayo!
Hey, just rub some Tiger Balm on it.
Ano ba yun?
They'll be serving me tea when this is over.
Saan yung pagpunta mo?
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Saan mo?
Kung Fu should be fun, la.
Bakit? Oo.
Yan nga, meron pa.
Kung Fu isn't about hurting others. It's about mastering oneself.